You are watching Pharma News. Here are the top headlines of today.
FDA approves first treatment for severe hypoglycemia that can be administered without an injection. Baqsimi, which is powder administered into the nose, will come in a single-use dispenser that can be given to someone suffering from a severe hypoglycemic episode. The FDA granted the approval of Baqsimi to Eli Lilly and Company. AIOCD again urges government to refrain from rolling out e-pharmacy as it is against all drug laws and regulations. In the representation to the Commerce Ministry, AIOCD has quoted all those clauses of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act and of the PPR 2015 which mandate for direct supervision of registered pharmacists for dispensing medicines to a patient. Pharma processing and packaging equipment market to see growth. Oral formulations are the leading segment in the pharmaceutical processing and primary packaging equipment market as it is the preferred route of drug administration by physicians and patients. FDA posts the generic drug user fee rates for fiscal year 2020. The fee for US CMO FDA facilities will drop 7% next year. Wide access to OTC drugs can free up government resources. The government is in the process of finalizing an OTC drug policy which may bring more clarity on the drugs that a wider population can access. Biogen keeps its foot on the pedal in biosims as Humira copycat takes market-leading position. Biosimilar sales grew 45% to $184 million year over year, and that's with just a few of its products on the market, and those only in Europe. AstraZeneca's cancer meds Lynparza, Imfinzi cruise toward blockbuster-land. Sales from AstraZeneca's oncology franchise surged 51% in the second quarter to $2.17 billion. BMS Opdivo fails to meet primary endpoint in non-small cell lung cancer. BMS has announced that its immunotherapy Opdivo plus chemotherapy failed to meet its primary endpoint of overall survival in the phase 3 Checkmate 227 trial of patients with first-line non-squamous non-small cell lung cancer. Indian Pharma stocks update. Top gainers are Piramal Enterprises up 3.4% and Torrent Pharma up 2.7%. Panacea Biotech down 1.3% and Ipca Labs down 0.6% are among the top losers.
For details, you can visit the link shown in the news bites. And for quick pharma industry updates, download PharmaState app.